This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef Greg with recteq, and today we're going to show you a classical interpretation of popovers. It's also called Yorkshire pudding, and it's not really a pudding at all. It's kind of a crispy bread, good for the Dunkin' with some gravy and some meats. But honestly, this recipe is super simple, so let's go ahead and get started. Outside, we've got the RT700 preheating to 450 degrees, and we're not using a traditional popover pan today. We're going to use a large muffin cup, because that's probably what you have at the house. And we're going to preheat those muffin pans for about 15 minutes with a little bit of grapeseed oil on the bottom, and we'll go ahead and make the batter. It couldn't be any easier. We've got 3 jumbo eggs, and if you're baking anything, you want to make sure that all your ingredients are room temp. It's going to make things come together a lot easier, and again, the outcome of those popovers is going to be what you want. They're going to pop. All right, to our eggs, we've got a cup and a half of warm milk. We're gonna add a pinch of smoked salt. We're gonna start getting that delicious smoky flavor in there from the beginning. We got 8 ounces of smoked white cheddar cheese. Save just a little bit to put on the top. We're gonna add a nice tablespoon of that Colden's Freakin Greek. Cup and a half of flour. And this is going to look like a loose batter, not quite thick like pancake batter, and that's okay. And to make it really easy to fill up those muffin cups, you can go ahead and get your favorite measuring cup and pour that batter in there. And that way, when the pans are good and hot, you're good to go. Again, we got the RT700 preheating to 450 degrees. We're burning those Kingsford signature pellets. We're going to get that bold, sweet, balanced flavor for these popovers. It's going to be delicious. All right, these popovers, or I like to call them Yorkshire pudding, are finished. We cooked these on the RT700 at 450 degrees. We were burning those Kingsford signature pellets. I mean, the color, the crust, absolutely delicious. You definitely want to serve these really hot out of the recteq. I like to put them on a little lined plate. And these are great to accompany your holiday roast. Great for dipping in the gravy or maybe a little honey butter. But I mean, show up to the table with some fresh popovers, you are sure to impress your family. If you guys want to get more recipes like this for the holidays, make sure you subscribe to recteq and Kingsford YouTube channel for some amazing content. Happy holidays. We'll see you at the recteq.